Hi there, in today's video I'm gonna share with you a look that you can do if you're going out during the day. I did this the other day when we went out for lunch to celebrate my mom's birthday, and I'm very happy with the results. The key for this look is to go as dramatic as possible on your eyes and then keep the rest of your face very subtle and very soft. The star of the show will definitely be this 85 Rand palette that I picked up the other day. This palette is very travel friendly. It's neutral and had all the colors from dark to light that you need. So if you're interested in seeing how this face came together, then stick around. When I filmed this tutorial, I decided to try out a new primer and I don't like it. You'll notice that the concealer looks patchy and the makeup is separating on the areas I applied the primer. When I originally tried this look off camera, I used a tried and tested primer with the same makeup products, and I was happy with the outcome. I just apply it on top of that C16 that I had on. And this one is matte, very matte, and you need to work fast with this one. Real Techniques medium sculpting brush, and I'm just, you can see I'm blending it upwards, blending it upwards. Blending it upwards. Okay, and then you need to remove this so you can make sure that it's really going into your hairline. Okay, I'm gonna be using a technique that I saw on TikTok where the person applied some contour on their hand and rubbing it, and I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. Okay, now yeah, something like that. Just bring down what is left. Okay, interesting. Okay, I'm bringing it into the brows and then down like that. Okay, I think it looks okay. I feel like I need a bit more concealer over here. For foundation, I'm using this MAC Studio Radiance foundation. I'm in the shade NC55, and I'm just gonna place that where I didn't put any bronzer or concealer. So around my mouth here is definitely where I need it. Here between the highlight and the bronze. Beauty sponge to blend that out. Ooh. The makeup is separating. I think it has to do with the primer that I used. I tried a new primer today and it's not working out. It's really not working out. And then I'm just gonna blend that out over here in the forehead. Okay, and then all I'm doing now is using whatever is left on the beauty sponge to go over those areas between the highlight and the bronzer, and then some on my neck. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just going into this brown and then I'm going to put it in the crease area. Using that same brush, I'm going to try and deepen the outer V. I'm not happy with how dark the outer V is, so I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow to deepen it up. Just a little bit here in the corner, like nothing too much. And then rubbing off the excess on a towel and then blending it into that brown. Adding a little bit more, very light round movements to blend the product into the outer V, and then brushing off the excess on a towel and blending that into the brown. Okay, I like that. Let me do that on the other eye. Using another clean fluffy brush, and I'm going into this brown over here just to blend everything else, just to blend out the edges of the makeup, especially around the brow area. Gonna do the rest of my face and then we'll finish up the eyes. Mascara and lashes real quick and then I'll be back. I'm using the MAC Stack mascara and then just some lashes I got from China Mall. MAC Chestnut to line the lips. MAC Whirl in the center.